In a world saturated with plastic gadgets and recycled ideas, the elite are looking for something else. Something impossible. We've all felt the limitations of current VR, the lag, the weight, the screen door effect. But what if there was a device that didn't just mimic reality but replaced it? Today, we've secured exclusive access to a facility that officially doesn't exist. This is the birthplace of the X-Vision Zenith, the world's most expensive VR headset. To build the future, you have to leave the world behind. We're entering the surgical-grade clean rooms of the Zenith lab. Here, the air is filtered every 60 seconds to ensure not a single speck of dust interferes with the assembly. The atmosphere is silent, high-tech, and clinical. This is where billion-dollar ideas meet aerospace-grade reality. It begins with a chassis. Most headsets use polycarbonate. The Zenith uses forged Obsidian black carbon fiber. We're watching a multi-million-dollar hydraulic press shape the frame with surgical precision. To lock in the color, the frame undergoes an 18-hour anodization process, infused with liquid platinum. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about structural integrity. Every speaker grill and cooling vent is laser carved with a diamond-tipped drill, reaching tolerances of 0.01 millimeters. At the heart of the Zenith lies the Quantum-Logic, a 19-X processor. In this sterile zone, robotic arms moving at speeds invisible to the human eye solder billions of transistors onto a ceramic logic board. We are witnessing the installation of a microscopic liquid cooling loop, a tech usually reserved for high-end servers, now miniaturized to fit around your temple. This system ensures the headset remains cool, even while processing 8 trillion operations per second. Now we reach the most secretive part of the factory, the optics lab. These aren't just screens. They are dual 8K Micro-OLED displays with a pixel density that defies biology. Each display is paired with a custom-ground pancake lens assembly. Look closely at the alignment process. Robotic suction arms position the glass with sub-micron accuracy. The result? A field of view so clear the human eye cannot distinguish between a pixel and reality. To make the virtual feel real, the headset must know where you are. A 12-camera array is integrated into the Obsidian frame, providing 360-degree tracking. We see the military-grade Lidar sensor being fitted. It pulses millions of times a second to map your environment in high-definition 3D. This is zero-latency tracking. No lag, no motion sickness, just pure presence. Comfort is the final frontier. Each Zenith is finished with hand-stitched Nappa leather, tailored to provide a pressure-free fit. But before it leaves this facility, it must survive the torture chamber. From 10-foot drop tests to high-pressure water seals and extreme thermal blasting. If it isn't perfect, it's destroyed. Only the top 1% of units make it to the final box. The packaging is as precise as the product. Carbon fiber boxes, silk-lined interiors, and holographic security seals. These units are now heading to the most exclusive showrooms in the world. When you put on the X-Vision Zenith, you aren't just wearing a headset. You are stepping into a new dimension. This is the peak of human engineering. This is Factory X-Ray. Subscribe to stay inside the secret.